Hello everyone, welcome to Neomols. Today I'm going to explain you how to do an user registration by using a Neomol app. For that what we have to do is we need to install the Neomols app first. I already have mine. So you can install your app by the Play Store. So open the Neomol app. This is how the Neomol app is going to see. So what I have to do is I don't have an account now. I'm going to do a sign up for the user registration. Here I will be the user. So click on the sign up, then you will get a signing page like this. So what you have to do is enter your mobile number and then agree the terms and conditions, then click on next. So once you are given a number, so you will get a OTP for your registered mobile number. So 4-digit number OTP you will be get. So once you have entered your mobile number, you will receive a OTP for your mobile number, 4-digit OTP number. So enter that 4-digit OTP number and then click on next. So you will have to set your secure pin for the safe login. So I'm going to set mine. So then click on submit. Successful. So your user data has been completely saved and you have registered as a user. Now what you have to do is you have to use the password username as your phone number and the password as a secure pin which you have given, and you have to sign in. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put my password as a secure pin will be your password. Then I'm going to sign in. If you want to change your password, then once you are logged in, you will have option here as a change password. There you can change your password. So now once I am logged in, now I am a user, so I am going to update my profile. So for what I have to do is just go to the profile option and then you need to update your profile. So already I have given my number, so I have to enter the name, and then Neomols will give us a mail ID, that particular mail ID which will be followed by a phone number, and I have to fill all these required details. So I'm going to do that now. Enter your name, then choose the gender, date of birth, and then nominee. You need to add a nominee name, your father, your mother, or your sister, brother, or your friends. So I'm going to choose my nominee. And you have to choose the nominee relationship. Is this spouse, brother, sister, mother, father, or others? If he is friend, then you have to choose it as a others. So next, what I'm going to do, enter my PAN card and the address and my PIN code of the city which I am, and then the state, and then city, and then have to upload the PAN card copy and then update. Once we have given update, then the profile setting will be completed. Next, I will show you how to do an wallet add. See, as you can see here, you will have a wallet balance. Okay, so if you don't have a, we already don't have any balance over here, so I'm going to add that. So you have to choose the amount, whether it is from 10 rupees to lakhs. You can choose between any amount. I'm going to choose 100 rupees. I'm going to add 100 rupees for my wallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a payment gateway. Either it is ICICI or UPI. If you can make a payment by any of these means. Okay, if you're choosing a ICICI, then click on ICICI and then submit. Then your page will be displayed like this. So what you have to do, you have to choose here whether it is, if you are going to make a wallet payment to the cards, you can choose card, or through the UPI like Google Pay, Phone Pay, or a Paytm, you can choose UPI, or net banking, wallet like Mobile Wiki wallet, or pay later like ICICI Bank, like you're going to add now, then you're going to pay for them later. You will have these many options. You can do it like that. So if not, you can use UPI payment option. So you can choose it and then submit. You have to enter your UPI existing UPI ID. So you'll get a page like this. So there you have to enter an UPI ID, like which is the existing UPI ID, then you can make a payment. This is how you're going to add money to your wallet. Okay, then if you want, you can change your current password. Like you'll have a 4-digit secure pin, you have to enter that as your old password. Then you can keep your new password, confirm and submit. So next will be here, this is your QR code, the user QR code. You can use it to scan easily, like wherever you go you can easily use this and scan for yourself. And this is the dashboard of yours. This is how the dashboard will be seen. See, as you can see here, your earnings will be displayed, your wallet money, you can add it, it will be displayed, and the cashback money, like by registering you will get a cashback of money. So I have my cashback as 100. You can use it for this cashback for the recharge or some other processes. And then your business like network, like track of your purchases, secured pin. Okay, you will have your team. Okay, and then cashback team and cashback plan. Okay, this is how your dashboard will be seen. So you can use your cashback. As you saw here I have a cashback. You can use this cashback for the other purposes like recharge processes or DTH recharge processes. Same way. This is how we are going to do a user registration. Once you are completed with the user registration, what you have to do is simple. You have to just complete your profile. In a drop down you can see here the fourth option will be your profile option. So I have shown you have to fill all the required details and you have to update your profile. If you want to change something, you can go for the normal settings. So you can ask for the support. If you don't find anything, you can go and submit your ticket. The customer will, like executive will call you back for the process. Thank you. Thank you, Neomods.